Hi everyone. So in this video, in a simple way, we are going to learn the basic concepts of core Java. See, so what are the definitions of JDK, JVM, JIT, source code, compiler, all the questions we are going to cover in this one. So normally, suppose we are writing one Java program. Consider this one is a Java code. We can say that application app extension is a Java, and this is called source code. This is called source code, the code which is understandable by the user. Just adding two numbers, addition of two numbers code I am writing. See, I'm not following the Java rules exactly. Just in a simple way, I'm writing the code. Addition of two numbers. Name I have given app. Extension is a Java. If the file extension is a Java, that is called source code, is understandable by the programmer only. Programmer. But here it is, machine understands only binary code. So someone should convert that binary code from source code. That binary code, we also call it as a byte code. After conversion, the file name will be the same. File extension will be the dot class. Dot class. So everything will be converted into ones and zeros. Converted into ones and zeros. That is called binary code. Binary code. All instructions will be converted. So who will convert and everything we will discuss. To understand this, first we should start with JDK. What is JDK? JDK is a Java development kit. If you want to write any Java program, first we need to download and install this software. So what this kit, Java development kit contains? The first one is Java development kit consists API. API is nothing but application program interface. In a simple words, we can say that it's a library. So what is library? Library means a set of predefined programs. Already, some of the programs Java developers given. So what is the use? What is the use? We can easily develop our code. I just want to arrange all the elements in sorted order, in ascending order. No need to write the program. Program already given. Please use it. So that is what we call library. If you want to clear the screen, don't write the code to clear the screen. Code is already there. You just utilize that. So using library, using API, you can easily develop the source code. You can easily develop the source code. Okay. But the code is not understandable by the machine. Machine understands only binary language. Then who will convert? Who will convert means what? Compiler. Compiler is a translator. Compiler is a translator. It will translate the source code into machine code, not machine code directly, byte code. Compiler is a predefined program that will translate source code into byte code. Next, once byte code is ready, who will run this application? Right? Who will give you the output? For that, they have given one environment called JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. So what is this runtime environment? See, generally, as we need to think, suppose if I want to take the class, so there should be an environment setup, right? So one connection, for example, one classroom, a set of chairs, projector, right? Projector connected with my computer. This is the setup where I can execute the program easily. Suppose if you want to watch a movie, then one setup is required. So what is the setup? For example, that setup is a environment setup. Which environment? Theater environment setup is required. In the same way, to run the Java application also, there is an environment that is called Java runtime environment. In this Java runtime environment, JVM under Java virtual machine, there is another translator called just-in-time interpreter. We'll take this bytecode as an input, and it will translate into OS understandable code. OS understandable code is called machine code. That OS finally will give the output. OS finally will give the output. JRE, Java Runtime Environment, where the Java program runs. Under JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Virtual machine means it's a virtual operating system. Under virtual machine, there is another translator, JIT, just-in-time interpreter or just-in-time compiler, they can say. That will collect this bytecode as input and convert into OS understandable code. That OS understandable code run by the operating system, Windows operating system or Mac operating system or Android or Linux, whatever. And finally, it will give the output. So now we are going to write what is JDK. What is JDK? A Java development kit. A Java development kit used to develop and run Java applications. So what is API? It is called a library. A library is nothing but a set of predefined programs, by which we can develop applications easily. Applications means what? We can develop source code. We can develop source code easily. That is. So what is compiler? Compiler is a predefined program, that translates source code into machine code. Simply bytecode. Source code is a .java file. Bytecode is a .class file. It will convert. So that is what compiler. Next one, what is JRE? An environment in which Java application will run. That is. So what is JVM? Java Virtual Machine. A virtual operating system, a duplicate operating system under Java application runs. What is JIT is important. Just in time interpreter. That translates bytecode into machine code, OS understandable code. Under what? Under JVM. All these are the very important questions about a JDK software. Hope you understood. Thank you.